Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background noise on ClipChamp. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open ClipChamp, create our new project and import some media. So for example, I want to import this video. I already imported it right here. So now I need to drag it to the timeline. And for example, this video has some noise and I want to delete this noise. So to delete this noise, first of all, we need to separate the audio from this video. So simply click on the video and then select the video on the timeline, then right click on it, go to audio and click on detach. So it will detach the audio from the video. As you can see, here is our separated audio. Now we need to choose it right here in the timeline. Go to the audio in the right side of the screen, and here we will have an option called noise suppression. So we need to simply enable this option. It will analyze your audio and delete all the noise from this audio. And basically that is it. That is how we can remove background noise from the audio on ClipChamp. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.